My name is Yogesh Kumar Sani and today my topic is biometric impact on beauty industry. In this presentation, I am going to discuss about disruption of technology. Particularly, I am focusing on biometric impact on beauty industry. Move to the next slide, which is research. First of all, I am discussing the technology description. Basically, verification, the authentication of an individual based upon certain biometric measurement has become a necessity of this era of modernization, also used in biometric use in scanners and printers. Adding more to research, that is industry description, it is major sector in beauty industry which is fastest growing industry sector, and the last part is that entrepreneurship is boiling over in the beauty industry. Now move to the part 2, which is brainstorming, in which I am going to discuss about impact of biometric on designing and production of beauty products, then research and development team of beauty companies at large as a marketing factor for beauty industry. Third part is disruption. First is selection of one change impact, in which I am talking about impact of biometric on the marketing factor of beauty products. Second is identification of one process that explains the customer attraction and retention in one such process of the beauty industry. Next, determination of its triggering factors, event, activities, discussion points, outcomes, many more, like how this process affects the chosen description. Last point is BPMN process model of before and after description, in which explain the effective research and development services. Last part is video script, in which with the help of PPT I have explained the description of beauty industry by biometric. The conclusion has provided the scope to understand the manner in which a technological innovation could influence a particular industry. References. Thank you so much.